Welcome back to RHSPN, bringing you all the sports news that other stations, frankly, just don't care about. This segment of our program is brought to you by subliminal messaging. When you want to make your point without them knowing you've made your point.
Next up, we have highlights from the Women's Championship Series butt car races.
The mood inside the Science Dome was just electric for this year's finals.
You're right. There were at least half a dozen fans, shattering last year's record of 4. And on top of that, none of them appeared to have wandered in accidentally.
Let's check out the highlights. At the start of the first heat, both butt carters looked to be in very determined moods.
As the first heat begins, one competitor's ill intentions becomes apparent as she crashes the other racer into the wall.
You can see the change in mood on the faces of both competitors as one goes on to victory under questionable circumstances.
The contact was later ruled legal by the referee.
Yes, we heard him cite Championship Series butt card bylaw 304.2 in his ruling, which apparently defines pretty much anything as legal.
Now let's go back to the action for the second heat. This time we see two different moods, as the defending champion demonstrates a smug confidence going into the race.
Once again, we see some shady activity happening on the track, as the challenger grabs the reigning champ, knocking her off of her butt card.
Once again, we heard the referee cite bylaw 304.2, defending the challenger's actions as legal.
Later on, the commissioner released a statement about the ruling, questioning the referee's citation of the bylaws. Apparently, the rule book cited in the decision was published in 1847 and was missing several pages. The investigation is ongoing.
Now let's return to the finals. Once again, the determined mood of both competitors is evident on their faces.
The right lane appears rather shiny, and look at how our competitor struggles to maintain traction. It looks like this track has been tampered with.
It looks like another issue for the commissioner to investigate.
In the end, amid a cloud of uncertainty, we see side by side the mood of this year's champion basking in the glory of a championship, while the runner-up sulks angrily.